All right, guys, we're going to be walking into this new install that we're doing today. We have the customer just moved in. They are from out of country, so they are doing some renovations to the house right back here. So it looks like we're going to be doing some distributed audio. We've already talked to them about that. So we've done this is a part 2 of the install. We didn't get to necessarily film the part 1, but we're doing a in-ceiling LCR system in here. We have in-ceiling surrounds. Literally, there's no place to put stuff in this place because this is kind of a deciding factor as well. And the open floor plan doesn't necessarily have the more optimal way to do a surround sound. So we're going to put them in the ceiling. We have some vents over here that aren't necessarily going to worry about with the speakers. We have an in-wall subwoofer over here from SVS. Customer had a decent amount of equipment that they already had from their place in the Netherlands. So now we're just going to be repurposing a lot of that stuff. So we had the art cam there. He just bought this brand new SVS in-wall subwoofer. We're putting the cutout right here. Since we pre-wired it and didn't have the box just yet, you know, we're going to be go ahead and doing that today. But this is a full Focal system. So we have the full Focal 100s, the IC LCR5s. We're going to be doing those up top right here in the front. We have the 77-inch LG G3 OLED going right there, right above the fireplace. And then we have a new Sonos amp right here. Customer already had Sonos ecosystem from before, so we're just adding another one, plus a port. And let's see. Oh, cool thing here. We have these back boxes from Dynamat. So again, whenever you're using a in-ceiling system, especially whenever you're dealing with two stories, you don't want to be losing your sound into the room above you, or you know, if you have in walls, you don't want to be losing sound in between the walls. You want all the sound that you paid for to come out into the room. So this helps with that. So these are the back boxes. Let me see if I have one out already. I think I do. Let me see. Okay. So we have one out over here. This is one of the back boxes that I was talking about. And basically what you get is this is a nice, it basically turns your in-ceiling speaker into a bookshelf speaker at that point because it makes it sealed. But you have that on the outside. The cool thing with these is you can roll them up and you can put them into the ceiling without any other, without having to do a crazy big hole and then patch job afterwards. So then once you do that, you put this as the surround inside of the unit itself. And then this goes on the back. You peel the stickums. One of these sides you can. So you peel the stickums and then you stick that on the back side of the box so that it basically works to help channel that sound a little better. And then that's it. So let's see. I think that's going to be it for this part. Let me go ahead and update you guys as we continue the job. So we'll catch you in just a minute. All right, guys, looks like everything is getting going. We already have 2 of the 3 LCR, in-ceiling LCR speakers in there. We have one of these going in right now. Another speaker has to get cut in the back over here. And then it looks like the rest of this area is getting done pretty good. The distributed audio throughout the dining room, or the kitchen. Well, no, this is the kitchen. The kitchen is already done. And then we're gonna walk in over here. So those are the 600, or the 6s, ICW6s from Focal, and these are the 100 ICW6s from Focal 2 in this room. So again, the customer's still moving in, but that will be distributed audio with Sonos. And then we just got to finish up what we're doing out over here. And then this should be getting going pretty quickly. The next thing is going to be happening is once the speakers are all done, we'll get the TV up there, and then we'll get the in-wall sub going as well. So the in-wall sub, like I was talking about, is going over in this corner. And this is the SVS in-wall sub. If you guys haven't seen it yet, this thing's pretty cool. Let me see if I can pull this up real quick, show you guys. So you get a dual 9-inch driver in that, and then you also get in the box, you get the amplifier. It's a smart amplifier. You can still control it with the smart controls with the SVS app. So that's really, really cool. And then they also give you banana plugs so that you guys can use those too. So these are designed to go in a standard stud bay. And let me pull up my wallet real quick. I'll just show you guys. So if you have a, just normal size credit card, it's actually, well, I guess it's black on black, you can't really tell. But it's shorter, well, it's actually a little bit longer than the size of a standard driver's license, stuff like that. So that's gonna be going in over here, and then I guess that's it. So we'll update you guys in just a little bit. Well, all right, guys, let's go ahead and give you a quick update what's going on over here. Again, like I was talking about, the customer is moving into this new house. So we already have the dining room distributed audio already set up in here, and then going into the kitchen, looks like we got the distributed audio already in here too. Again, these are the Focal speakers. And then in here, we're finishing up the surround sound system. The TV's up on the wall, the subwoofer's about to go in, the components are already over there in the cabinets, and then the contractors are actually doing the cabinets right now. So that should be happening very, very soon. I'm gonna go ahead and shove off right now. I will update you guys a little more as we complete this job. But if you guys want any work like this done, make sure to reach out to gridhifi.com. You guys can also check out gridhometheater.com. You guys can see why we're a 5-star rated company with our installation services. And that's all I got. So like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.